Hi, this is Mandy from SunflowersAndDors. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well. It is the, I want to say it's the 11th of December. I think it's the 11th of December. And I have been busy today with some projects, playing catch up with Tracy Fox's December dailies. I am doing a winter journal swap with Rach and Bella Craft, my first ever swap. And also there's loads of activity going on in the Facebook group Junk Journal Ideas and Inspirations. Today though, it's just a really quick pop-on video to show you some goodies that I've received from a collaboration with Globleland. I have worked with them before, and they approached me again about doing some work with them, and obviously I was happy to oblige. So really quick today. You'll have to excuse me. I am literally, this is as clean as it's going to get. I'm gunked up because I've been crafting all day. But I thought it was a perfect time to jump on. So the first thing I'm going to show you, I ordered two of exactly the same thing. I don't know whether I did that on purpose or whether that was kind of like an accident. I have no idea. But these are the stone texture 12 by 12 papers, and they really are lovely. So I've got a couple of woody type earthy projects coming up, and I thought these would be perfect. They are single-sided, but they are nice and thick. Some really beautiful natural, there's two of each in here. Some beautiful natural colours and patterns. They really are lovely. I think I must have ordered two of these deliberately because of what I've got coming up. But yeah, really beautiful papers. And so many different patterns. Yeah, really lovely. So they are heavyweight, they're 160 GSM. They are, I think these are, yeah, they're the stone textures. 12 designs, 2 sheets of each, so 24 sheets in total. So I ordered 2 packs of those, and they are perfect for what I have planned coming up. Now, the next thing I ordered was one of these. Now, the reason I ordered this was because Justine from House of Mahalo did a unboxing from a collaboration that she was working on, and these are, they're almost like credit card folders. This is a large die cut. I love feeling the die cuts when I do this. It's really cool, but I'm not sure that's particularly wise, so don't try this at home. But these are, I don't know if you can see them, they are like a credit card kind of folder. I will be making some of these out of some fabrics for some journals that I've got coming up now. But these are going to be perfect, absolutely perfect for mass makes. It doesn't actually show you on here which ones they are. It gives you pictures of everything, but I will do a video using this. And as I said, I'm hoping to use these to cut some fabric, so watch this space. Really excited about that. But Justine has already done an unboxing of that and a product review, so if you are really interested and you don't want to wait, pop over to Justine's site, and you will see that they're already done and ready to go. And then the other thing I ordered, there was a couple of things that were out of stock, so I just quickly ordered some. This is one of the, I actually thought this was a die, but it's not, it's a stencil. So one of the metal stencils for corner pieces. And it's really useful because I love these kinds of patterns, and what I tend to find with my stencils is they get really battered probably because I'm so heavy-handed with them, but they do get really, really battered. So yeah, looking forward to using this. I'll be using this probably for inking rather than with texture paste. But yeah, I just really like the corner piece ones, so excited about that. And then finally, I had some of these die cuts, and these were kind of playing cards and chess pieces and dice. So these are all kind of like your games, your board game type things, and I thought I probably won't use them an awful lot, but I will definitely use them, and they're kind of a cool thing to have as a staple in your stash, so that if ever you do need them, they are there and ready to go. So yeah, as I said, just a really, really quick video. Really excited to try out some of these things, especially this this die cut here. I will put some videos on, I will have a play, and I will be back with you probably within a couple of days, just to show you how these things work. So huge thank you to Globleland. There is a discount code which will be in the description box below, as will I put all of the codes for all of the bits and pieces that I've received off them today. So if you are interested in any of that, then details will be below. But yeah, really, really quick, really short and sweet. I'm really excited to try them, and I will be back with you in the not too distant future with some examples and plays. So until then, as always, take care and stay safe, and I will catch you very soon. Bye for now.